A warm welcome to all the people who have come in honor of Patty Flynn and her family, Betty Campbell and their family, and in particular this year, we honor the members of Chris Campbell and his family of blessed memory. Our hearts go towards every single one of you whose families went to the war and died. Those who came home injured, those who came home traumatized. It was the legacy of Patty Flynn, who campaigned for 27 years, that this stone should be installed.
It's vital that we recognise the contribution and sacrifice of all those from different communities that have fought so hard in the previous world wars and of course are still serving now within our armed forces. Can I also pass my condolences and my best wishes to the family of Chris Campbell. Chris was a force of nature and an amazing man to work with, and I know is deeply missed across all his communities.
And this day we remember especially the sacrifice and service of the British ethnic minorities and Commonwealth soldiers, sailors and airmen and women, and the Merchant Navy, who served in conflicts past and in more recent conflicts. And we give thanks for those that are present with us.
Over 5 million soldiers and labourers served along British soldiers in 2 world wars. From across the Empire and the Commonwealth, they came to fulfill what they believed to be their loyal duty to Queen and country. We must remember the circumstances they encountered on arrival, the obstacles they faced, the injustices, the degrading, inhumane treatment during and after conflict. Our ancestors' commitment to the mother country has been an exceptionally noble one, truly extraordinary, beyond the call of duty. We will remember them.